And hiding out of the red corner, wearing white, trimmed with red letters, and officially weighing 249 1/4 pounds. He captured Olympic gold in 1988. Now, as a professional, he has 39 victories, including 30 knockouts and 3 world titles. He has 2 defeats and a draw, all by way of rematch have been changed to victories, making him one of the few men in boxing history to have virtually defeated every man he has ever faced. Ladies and gentlemen, from London, England, presenting the 3-time world champion, the linear, legitimate, and universally recognized, undisputed heavyweight champion of the world, Nigel.
Yo, abusuafo ye mo bibia fresh apa sabre no Ochunoko TV YouTube channel so na Royal TV so say aba bedru Jubilee Park Kumasi na wo hwe de ekoso ha enye asamketo na anika na ebro adwene entiase so yenua obofo APC founder wo chese aha de any home a chese 31st night bia ha na wo de sa adwumade ne den eba ekohia afefoforo no na fiwe no ye de kohia 2020 na kemi so watch night 31st de anajo free best 10 kwa na ankabi adwumade no me hihye so no konanim na so enano pai 31st December 2019 ye beduru ha anopa nonkron 9 o'clock ye beduru na nipa wa ha ye beduru ha be 11:30 no na chese kamia isa aha nyina yema nipa no mo kasa e bi fi kronkron ahodo bebre so na aba obi ane botae a wode yeden ebae wo mo so wa bonti wo mo to aduane wo free prempa assemble ho ekopim labor office traffic say etua so saa nti yeguso ekeka na mabom na omo so maba akire ne ye ne ebi mo so ebetwetwe enkomo na anwumre so no ye behu se de adwumadie no ebekwakosie na awia mponi na choso hwe adwumadie no aginsam nti ye beto aso busuafo damase Wabusunya for Sabre Yagusu or APC. Eye home grounds. Ahana Fibiano. Omo expanded 31st night no. Nena yabedru ha wia. Yabedru ha early as 9. Yaba nani power ha. Yabedru ha after 12 there ajinsemu. Adeni so ye anajo. Sabre yabedu sofopani ba ko ha. Ye ne betwetwe enkomo beboniri. Akra afishapa.
Afin ko beto ye.
Ye mo akwa abanse so.
Ah, Miss Mama Kwaba.
Good. Eba jo wudi.
You didn't suffer me.
Suffer amawu.
Yes.
You. Pacho o wa sorry mu mfie be sen.
In fear they say en fan kasa wa sorry mu.
Me be say me.
Ya Nyankopon afra o so be ye no, eno na ehia.
It wanya sen.
Ah, eno de ehia.
Sir.
Ya Nyankopon afra o so be ye no. Your core mandate is what is needed.
I get you.
Yes.
But I love to know how many years or decades that you spent in the church. 5. 5 years. I love that. That's my duty.
Yeah, okay.
So I've been called to do that.
All right.
So if I ask any question and you feel you find it very difficult to answer, you just prompt me, then we get it off. Abusunya for Asantema Mutiaba country, I'm Obi Atibi. Okay. So for my woman, that's the I branch now.
Me all branch.
All branch.
I'm antenna.
Okay. Me that's the Sabre ni aba bedru ha se. Na me bedru ha anopa 9.
Ah. Da be onya hwe.
Na je me nse.
Onya hwe.
Yes, akoba.
Da be me se onya hwe. Me se onya hwe. Because tie. Uba ha no pa 9 ba meme wa ha enra ye free voter region ye ko fa ye nkrofo free voter region ye beduru ha as at 6 o'clock in the morning na e ha body
me so me no be kasa ono so beduru ha 1 a.m. oba na ha ma
me see na me see ndra me ka 6 o'clock anopa o man ka 6 o'clock enumre
na me kan ono so ba ha 1 a.m.
enti so ka say oba anopa de na anopa de nde onya hwe na ha de abode dada se se bia nkofo be fa kura ye be nantimu akoye bibi kura ye nya
okay ma show bibi wa ase
kasamenti
grounds wa say e say na em say Yakopon hira so de amamu aye obi antime nyi mfiri mu nsem de ntia ma me gina so kan say me nya akwala o Kristo sumu ba bia no nowhere in the world that ye call 31st night ye kwa wi e hwa ye ma and see baby ada I repeat to her as in history.
Yes.
Music is saying.
Oh, I do want same. Sabobio.
Music is saying.
Mrs. Sabobio.
Music is and
there and no.
APC.
I do want same.
I don't say you want them.
Ebeja some same. Anything na baby obe say dey bia abode. Obi ka na asem. O se Yewura Yesu Kristo oba ye. Na edoma edi na chinti. Na Pharisee for no tan no. And it's an okay. We don't have any secret. Okay. Secret is Jesus.
And I mepe. Because we be there can say secret be wom.
Secret is Jesus.
That's it.
What you say my mention bibi. When say Pharisees for they be a Pharisee. I say the boy fool. But the Pharisees were people that know the law. And they can say in the brea in katitin sorry no. enti odifo babia na edom di nechi a na tetefo na asori agina saa na ekoye Jesus Christ omo si omfiri nyame ba no omo ready law obia sorry osi law na Jesus Christ oye adwuma yati woni law no mu nso se agenkwan bi ba na agenkwan ne ba ye kra ye nhye de nim no because of nia oye no agi omunsem because na de omo ye no agenkwan ye no omo ntumi nye enti omo no omo criticize enti ning na ye sa
okay me da sipi ye hwe this night then e be koso
ma ke kantara ba bro siapa obisa nsem bia na me sunsum akosoro because me kura ma hyam koma to hon ne se obi bia me kura mpo me nsa be kan de me chia okra kakempo a ye ode eno na be obi I expect because obi ani expectation is oba benya Nyankopon enim adom
okay yes eno so be ba so life
eno de na de nti na wo sum Kristo obenya na enim adom enitia enti obia abaha ebe pe Nyankopon enim adom enti obia anantiesia odi ba ha ne se obia anantiesia odi abaha ne se oba hu Nyankopon enim odi ase obia anantiesia odi nam no
okay yanhwe obi o he ba bia na wati APC nka no person otu anamon ebe member enso ho na bibia striking say one can
obi kan accept tie scripture bia e won enum nsem a eye wo obegina asisi ase opese uba APC na bibi twen twintwan wanamu a ne won se Nyankopon nya mfrɛ wo ye because o si onfrɛ obi ya said ye obegu nenim ase ofrɛ ne se obese ne die nyum nyam eti Nyankopon nya mfrɛ wa obeba ne fie sa na tie
na APC mo wo evangelism team ana
ma ki konkara me akasa me say me tu anamon ebi ko yeji ebi ko Togo ye nyina ye ko ye evangelism
okay
enti ye wo evangelism team yeah
very good what aroma o papa wo ne nam pa say wa kwa say Peter and I know papa Jesus said
enam mukwasem
na minim say no prophet is being honored in his own
like yes
very good into ekoso
everywhere
the ekoso mienu me a traveler
okay
Ghana ye wo prophets ewa ha but the prophet be can simple Ghana ye nyintum but do be can do neighboring countries there ye cross nsuo ekoyi na den
any there sir Jesus Christ the dance here e won na enwuma mu enti ye si ono ani krom kwa wanto me nya ahon de enwuma kese e wo ho no because of adanse die enti because okwakoye bibi kra ye bejan ena Joseph banini enya carpenter ni bani saa so na kokubofo ono so saa na ye beka
okay
eye wo kra saa na ye beka wo fie ye beka say enya no esimesi ba na ye ochunoko enya ochunoko first na owiawia nkwamu na mo wa ha no saa na obi abeka enti wo fie de enyonyam de wonya bi
okay enti no me come anim no say what is a prophet bi aye bibi na ho abasem na bi aye ka public domain
enu ye Nyankopon asem debi enu ye Nyankopon asem
we general thing
enu ye Nyankopon asem
meba se bibi sa ba o ti ase o wa sorry o di prophet achi but you prophet say e ba prophet bi a ho asem na e ba public domain na ye ka how do you feel
feeling there as me sume nyame nipa there I feel bad
okay
but ning na ye Nyankopon asem
okay
because John the Baptist wankoka Herod asema nka ye ntwa neti
yes
odi ase enti sa na etie e ya de ya trot tete
nti enya nwanwa ye do ba papa bofo so ba o mu abo nsana ne ho asem ne ye ka ne ho asem ne ye twini ko benkum ye
Jesus Christ me papa ya me pese wo question kra o relax tie obisa question na bisa ne bako Jesus Christ o de tie Jesus Christ wo eni freni nante en of oche no to ho odi ahwea edi ntosuo eyeye edi bie neni ba eni freni ne ko na ya saka kire se nipa no mfiri nyame no odi baziba honhum ene ye we eno nkire se Jesus Christ be conform e kire se okosoro because of na djuma power
ye book of Matthew kra bonsam honhum kra edi Yesu madanse
no kwasem
very good na je says 2 million den but do be bia nipa be ka ho asem nti wo ye nipa no me embarrassed boy me lifetime na me try embarrass somewhere 1984 me call school me buy na young soldier bi abedi di papa tem me kokko no am ye catch say me free barracks but what you say ye to be free barracks into no papa na nam Peter on Jesus Christ na dey enam e do ba bi wo hwe sekan
no kwasem
nti se bibi se si a wo na we panimu na papa nam no sen na no obi a woni pesu won dey make sure no we have like spirit of animality
oti mpapa dia me catch re oni se won me catch re ewiase because na obi same anything na me se me catch re oni se because we aso na obi same na obi same odi ase dia bibi a obi ye bia no asem wo ho odi ase na unti na fie e ma obi mbebo papa ofie abra wo fie oti sa asem na se e na eto de bi nso a panyi dua mante odi ase se na obeye ma asem be koyie no en na wo ye odi ase ba ye se ye ngina nkra ni mu enya de eno ye asante form ma etere baako hyemu dunan ye se ye ngina nkra ni mu enya de entutu nkra ni bedase ye ni me ni we kasa ekire
meso bedase
amen na me hira obi a
abusuafo aha eye Royal Television esa ye Ochunoko TV esa ye Kumase FM esa bre ye duru eye Jubilee Park aha eye APC aha your holy grounds every year be ha no me 31st night na do pa be duru ha no nkro na chesa ha ye ma na wie de ba de aginsem dwumadie no so eba so eye anajo na sabre nya emakuo pani national eye Kumase pamcho Kumase we ono ye regional emakuo pani no Kumase sabre ye ne ye ma me betwetwe eye nkolo ma me ye hia
ye wura
afisha pan so
afi nkometo ya afiti se na ahoden ne nkwa esikai na ebusu na urade aye wakoma so ade nyina ma ewo APC do
amen ma sabre no ye ba beduru ha dwumadie ke ba so eye anwumre na be ba so na so beduru ha nipa bebre age ye nsem emakue nyina so ewo ha o ma hye omontare ahyenso na em se Kumase no wo na woda no na dwumadie nyina so no ha no mo ye no kwa be na afa so ye nhyehyeye eni baabi adwumadie abeduru mu ye ka na ase ni bibia wo so hu won bi ba ye nkomo e ba ne sen
wada woroma aye papa kwaku bofo nti adom ne nyansa no adom nti wa mayembi ye hya ase ache me fam se ba busumini pomponso kakra ya keka ne masi ani a enne na ye edana nkasa pomponso adom nti Yesu aye adom de omo free tema enknan baby bia Cape Coast obia ababedu the whole Ghana obia ababedu obia wase wodidie adom nti wadidi obia oso odware adom nti odware Yesu nti yente yatenkabone bia woni twa se kwakubofo de o se o ya ade a na o ya ade enne enipa nyina mpa ni mehwe na me kra de ye me nwanwa de sa ha me ne se enipa aye se won firi nyame kwabna kwa banti ha no kokohwe kwan yi ho adwadifo agi ho nyina fa o obi aye se won firi nyame aye kansa makasi egu no so papa no to se ye mani nyina momu nyini twa bere no dura ene ye behunu papa no ade a enye ene ade e da bola so ene hwede nyame aye enye o obi a se ade ne nye ade da mfikire yesi boa abantufo ato akone no eno na aye twase bo titiri wa enne enipa nyina wiase nyina hwe kwa kubofo enne awie ebre ni nya nuri mponi enuri kura me kura fiti nura a me ba asase su kwabra me nko ofie o weyi ba oso kohia na akoma na kwa ba weyi ba oso pe baabi ma ne tena weyi ba adum ni nti bekasa abre ye nti atenka boni bia awurade na madom so akura ye nyina nti di aka ne se ye hwese ye papa adom no bebo adom so no beba be gina stage na di aka bia o beba be kan ye ho ene wo be chentoma ene wo be chesika wasi obeche ewisia ni nyanka ene akunafo o ma wo musika o ma wo ntuma obia nsan medidi eye odo adidie obia ebedidi afi na wanom na transition team no eho ne asam no eho kakra no dumienu efiri sa abre yakoka se anwumre dumienu bompire no anopa de ne de abo aka anwumre yi eho de ne transition no eno ne asam no de odi ye twa epukoko no ninti ne nyina ye gina ha na dawurma so de ba betwa
market na mi musao ayibi kakra wakaso ma me ano me ho ayden afo umpani mfie so fisi ye wo na wo kwa asori asori be mu ne yesi 31st night ubako na asori na ayema ani ape baby ani pa na ayema ebi ti say ebi esida what bi da no ahodwiri se be wo mu fa ne sen
kwabna sale kwabna minti bi do na minti bi mpani sem da ade ne yenya nhase efiti nura o efiti nura ya kwasi ada no enura na ye tetiet no ene nipa ba asase kunkunu so ebeda aye enura ebi ba kwasi ada ebi ba adwoada tesi akra me ne wo kasa basis ni bi nam kwan mu a enya meduru ye o enti next year 2020 amansan pani mehwe
na mame e bibi wa ha sei 2019 de dan bi aso
dandil
ebi so be catch
sanete
se wo hwe asore emakuo mu bo tayi simani so 2020 sane ekono
2020 de adom no ba adom so a oh ya ni wisia ni nyanka oni biefo no ya ni wo mu na bebom na ya hwe efise kwasi ada no kura no awurade na madom so ma ya maame kwinsiala oche enyanka ayi efen sei empanimfu a wo madi 1890 oche wo ntoma obia mu 2 bags wanwa 2 bags fakodi buronya enti nyame ya adom ne ewura 2020 dia ye beye de eche nso kura
good
adaworo
ma me nsa musa bibi so ha sei APC asori ye nti se asori bebi ne asori bi ebebi akohia bebi atwendade anase ye de abaire abo abaso if you say ye gu papa anim ase obofo be mfie mienu na se mfie mensa onfa na easy
kra oh 19 de ya ton
na nso ni nyina ya ton sa pra na wetimi ayi agina na meduadue mu yesi mu nyina mafutuo ene mu nkyerɛkyerɛ ene nyansa ne adom ka ho nyina mo so ka bi kye no wede
na daworo ma omoro afutuo so
meba na mibusa se uyo oba market wonyamre kra bayra abrwaide
wabra mate
na wadawo asemo ebasa no na wo ye makuo uda no wo organize ne ma wo ye we ebasa ne ya wo sifa no
asemo no ba foforo saa de me ka kire nipa nyina ne se bible kura wo se me mfanto so e ma ne nye ho me sira mo munim papa na mudi na chi no eye anibra ne wotan e na de bia nipa hwehwe na hwe ase enti enkwa abonten wo kura enkwa kan bi yenya ni nyina makakarakai ono no odidi oni bi asema nti ebasa yetutu ye ho fo ya mpiri ya ho kura na apia bonten ye hye kokoom ni abompa ya ka kire awurade se ono ankasa e na afre na ko a enti ba bi asem no kura da bia no onfanto ampa so
omwa eyi anom ko hye kokoam emfiri nyame eye aduro no he fa se ke obi abakwaji bi da asori
na kwabra aduro we umbe
na me kan se ke aduro obi abetumi ayere
kwabra aduro we nko ade me kura mbese papa no kire me ba bia wo na me kwaji bie aduro we
na wu
aduro na wu minyini kwabra na aduro bi wo ho kwabra o gidi se aduro bi wo ho a ti se
ye nkofo na eka iti omo ehwe obi wo ho a papa ebi ane ma oye no na ko so se bi akoba beba enso nkrofo nsem o mo kan bu na bam se ni pa ni bi ehwe ya dia snap so ka kire wo
dia me ka kire nipa koro ni se wo ma ne nan senya ha won tu mirika no wo mra na wo mu a wo mo hye kukuam ka se enye no wo mo de ntoma kuri yeti ba me se mi ya ka tia mi gina he metimi de mensa duwa se me boa ka se ni nua no masofo no kura wo mu bono edua kese ka se enye no edua nwumra na enimu biribiri na esum ba aya wo mu mahwe pia wo mu nua sofo na wo mu bada
bo ba mi ensa bi di mame
asofo
na me fa nyem ko tuma council
babra na mame kan wasum
mate
na kan wasum
Woman aka ho.
Menu mienu.
Waba.
We dey menu mienu nko.
De bia wo hyeche. Me si de bia wo hyeche. Ya, woni ne ya interview aka je ne se papa no ne national ba na ye fe no ya keti no. Wose wo ba kura won na ya na do ko mabofo.
Woni mi ya woka.
the mechanism me da CP say me buy no wa mama daje na me no why den atwetwe ko bi say uni adaje say be wi asefo mo he asore ma anadofo ene APC atamfo
ni adofo
akwankwa ja say be na wo
asema me kan ne say awurade nya obi adom obi a wo ba asase su bia nkonkron na nkansa ni nanimu kan na won fa ne meduru ha asomdue na ye wie na ye ne papa to nsa didi na wo de ye twa transition team nu wia adom na nsa madom so won fa obi a nkoduru asomdue na de otifie so a wonye na dwene no o ma ne ho nye ha na wo hwere ade fast o hwere ade
pia
APC for omo holy grounds na sabre benya ye nua ba bi wa ase ono so wa sore ho a odi ntintim a ne ba twetwe nkomo bi nua ba kwa ba
yeja
etisen
me pacho nyame adom
edin be ne de for sorry
me din de Kamsi na mom 31st nko de fa me queen of 31st
me
pacho me din no queen of 31st
okay here for branch now
me a reverend about for translator so wherever he goes I go with him.
Translator na search
me pacho no na reverend about for e country a me de cobra for mama no
okay me da sipi me da se and say baby be fa bia na wo ho me boa
exactly
okay me da sipi so how long have you been with the church?
For almost 4 years now.
4 years. Okay, so what do you do in there?
As I said, I'm his translator. Wherever he goes, I'm there with him. And then for this 31st, I'm the queen of 31st, making sure that everything is in place.
Good. It looks like the whole place is almost full. I was here early as 9. And we couldn't contain the crowd.
Almost full was yesterday. Almost full was yesterday. But today the place is full. And then surprisingly, some of the buses are still trooping in from Takrade, Takwa, Accra, Kumasi, Tema, wherever. Like buses are still trooping in. So we don't even know where to keep the rest of the people because this place is full up.
Do you have in mind, as in estimation, a number of congregation coming here?
No, we can't because if I might give a rough estimate that would exceed those who are coming because this place I don't know the number of capacity I should give it right now.
Do you have the records of last year, number of people who came here?
Last year we were over 10,000, like it was millions. So I don't know this year, and then this year's double and triple of that. So you can just imagine.
Would you mind to be specific? Are you looking for double or triple? Triple
would be cool, because triple is what we are going in for.
Why not quadruple?
Quadruple, it will be perfect. But right now, we are moving from 0, we are moving up to the triple. You can just imagine.
Good. What do I know about the team of this year? 2019 to 2020 as far as the program is concerned?
Our transition team, everything is in place. I don't know, whoever is watching me should just come and join and then witness it, because everything from security wise to pastors, workers, everything, the transition team, even moving people from 2019 to 20, it is just something else.
Do you have a particular team as far as the program is concerned? Team?
Our team is just generalized. Everybody here is part of the team. APC is a family. We are not just a church.
I mean the program.
Everybody here is part of our team.
I think you're not getting my question.
It's not the program.
The program.
I get what you are saying, but
first night maybe we're moving forward or we're crossing over and all that.
Our transition team is everybody here.
Okay.
We are moving to 2019.
Okay.
Crossover without carryover. Everybody here. We are a family, not a church. So we don't have any particular team moving people from this side to this side. We are moving together as a team. Everybody here is part of our transition team.
What do we expect from your daddy this evening?
Hey,
it's a big question for you.
It's a massive question.
Just try.
Everything. APC, we call something anything. Like we are expecting anything at all. From generosity, benevolency to spiritual wise deliverance, crossing over the words of confession, everything. I don't know how to put it in one context, but tonight expect nothing but the highest. I don't know how far the eagle can go, but we are sorry more than the eagle today. Today he's going to do massive. No, the grounds are charged. He's not here, but we can't even feel his presence here. So just imagine if you should come in here right now. We are expecting more than more.
Okay, what can you say about your dad? Those watching us, what can you say about him?
He's my daddy. I love him, but I'm being very honest right now. This man, getting to know him has been a blessing. not financially, but me in my life. I know everybody that has gotten to know Reverend Abofo has been a blessing, and that nobody can say that he is so much of a father. He is a pastor in all. He is a father to me, to my son, to the church members. I love him to the core, and then the reason for that, when love has a reason, it is no longer love. I don't know why I love him, but I love this man so much. He's everything to me. He's everything.
I understand you perfectly, because you know why this question? Because you are close to him,
very
so
close.
You will be in a very position to tell the world who he is. You understand my point here? So I just want to know perfectly from you, be honest, who is he?
Reverend Abofo is a fun-loving man. He loves God to the core. He loves.
I am sure you're not giving us a different
I am being very honest with you.
Are you not giving us a different
This is a holy ground. I can't lie on this ground. Everybody here is praying for tonight. So this is a holy ground. I can't lie. This man is a fun-loving man. When you get close to him, you will love him. You've been hearing things from outside, but when you get close to Reverend Abofo, he is so loving. You will love him. No matter what, you will love him. He is God-fearing. He loves APC. He loves Ghana as a whole. The love he has for the mother Ghana, you have no idea, because this man is taking money out. He's taking money to bless the people. He's giving out envelopes. He's giving out clothes to mothers, widows, and to our dear widows, mothers, and even women in general. What he's about to do shows how much he loves Mother Ghana. He's I don't know how to explain this man.
So how do you take it when you hear people going around, saying all sort of things bad about him? How do you feel?
Honestly, sometimes I cry. I do cry in my room, especially when I wake up in the morning and boom, it's on YouTube. Something very, very negative. And then I know him and I'm like, oh no, Daddy can't do this. Then I start to cry. Then later, the next thing you will see is, he will just come out. Come see, relax. Say free nyamia ebejina. You know.
Does it strike you to go out and tell your peace of mind to the people?
I have done that so many times.
Wow.
Actually, I've been on TV doing it so many times. Sometimes I can't just hold it. He's like, no, don't worry. Don't come and retaliate. Don't come and say anything. We are okay. Before he realized, I'm on Cash TV, Sweet TV, giving out my peace of mind. Because when you know somebody that much...
Did you sought permission from him before going to do that?
Oh, sometimes he wouldn't give you. He doesn't like that. He doesn't like when you respond to people. He says, leave them. Let them do it. God is on our side. But sometimes, we are human.
You go there on your own.
Oh, come on. We have to go and then when he sees it...
Does he show sign of respect?
He doesn't show sign of, but this is my love for him.
Why do you do that?
He doesn't want it, but it's too much out there. Sometimes the negative vibes.
2020, you're not going to...
Oh no, 2020, we are doing church. Okay. 2020 is our year of full ministry. Okay. Negative vibes can go to hell. Okay. 2020, we are not concentrating on any negative vibe. 2020, we are looking at God. We are doing ministry. Okay. We are helping Ghana. We are helping our members. Whatever you are saying about us that is negative, because we've not done it, we don't have your time anymore. That is our mission. 2020, we don't even have that time, because we are doing ministry. Pure ministry. We are going international. We don't have the time of negative vibes anymore.
You yourself as translator, where do you want to take APC Church to?
APC, I want to take APC to the world. My motive, my status, everybody knows APC to the world. With me, come see on board APC to the world. We are not only going to be here in Kumasi, Accra, Tema, Takrady. No, we are moving out of the shores of Ghana. We are going to preach the gospel throughout the world. That is my motive for this church, APC to the world.
Wow. The world is watching us. Do you have anything to say that will make the church so attractive for people out there to, join the congregation?
Please, Anointed Palace Chapel is the best place to be. This is 31st and it's not even night yet. It's almost 12 something and the place is full. This is how much God is here. I can tell you that God is here with us. I am recommending Anointed Palace for you. You won't get it anywhere. When it comes to word, message, sermon, my daddy has it. Prophecy wise, this man is filled with it. When it comes with deliverance, this man is so blessed. He has blessed to the core. And then you have to come, and because when the head is blessed, automatically the oil will flow down and then you have a share of it. You have to be here, seriously.
I get you. My last question, then I take leave of you.
Okay.
Is there anything that you don't like about your father? One thing.
Just one thing?
Yeah, for my ears only. Just one thing you don't like.
I don't like it when daddy doesn't want to respond to these people now. It's too much. I know they like it. Oh, I've gone to Nigeria.
You've gone past that point. So we dare not to revisit that point anymore.
Okay. So one thing that
you don't like about him?
It will be very hard, very. One thing I don't like about my daddy, I don't know.
No, you can. You are still waiting.
Odiamono. One thing I don't like about the Iron Boy.
Should I help you?
Okay, maybe. Because I love this. You know, when you love somebody too much, you oversee their flaws.
Sure.
You overlook their mistakes. You hardly even see it. Like you love your husband so much, you hardly see their mistakes. Even somebody saying your husband is cheating, you're like, no, my husband can't do it. That is love. That is the kind of love I have for him. So, I don't know.
And how often do you advise him, or you have the room to advise him when necessary?
He is open to everybody's advice. After church, it's like, how did church go? Daddy was cool. Daddy, the message was on point. Daddy, now we are hitting it. He likes to hear those things. How is the ground? You are out there. When you go home, what do you hear about me? Daddy, they are saying this. Let's do it this way. Let's do it that way. He is open to advice. He is not autocratic.
Okay.
He is democratic. Everybody is allowed to talk. Be it a member, a group leader, group worker, pastor. Everybody is allowed to bring them. What we are doing here, I told you APC is a team. We are not a church, we are a family. Everybody is on board. Workers are saying, let's arrange church this way. Everybody is bringing it. And then he's like, no, whatever they say, let them do it. I don't want it to be me only. We are all working together.
Wow. My last question. Whenever you hear people, going out, wailing, screaming, yelling, oh, this man is not from God. How do you take it?
He's not from God.
Yes. And what do you have for them?
This question, sometimes when I hear, I'm like a bit, I will go out of my shells. I'll take off my good girl jacket. I should wear it.
Yes, I will ask you to curl back into your shell.
Okay,
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Let my answer flow.
He's not from God. You know, by their fruits, we shall know them. You are saying it's not from God.
And it's not from ordinary people. It's from men of God too.
Okay, dear man of God, you are saying Reverend Obafo is not from God. You are from God. What are we seeing? He is not from God. He's able to help the needy, help those who are very much in need, the widows. Everybody is coming to him. They know he's their last hope. Kolebuji, wherever you go, and then your case is so critical. Doctors and nurses are saying, go to Reverend Obafo. He will help you. Now, my question to you, man of God, please, you are from God. What are you bearing? What fruits are you bearing? We are not seeing anything from you. But this man, he's not from God. We are seeing this. Then thank you very much. I think we will keep him like that.
Wow. Your favorite quotation in the Bible?
My favorite quotation in the Bible. What is faith? Faith is the evidence of things hoped for. It's Hebrews 11:1.
Okay. And do you know mine?
No, tell me.
And Jesus wept.
Amen.
Amen. Thank you very much.
You are most welcome.
Thank you. Abusiafo enu aba na twetwe enkomo yi ono na ya obofo ekeka twia no so kire ase de ko eye brofo kasam na wakasa pa wo se edu ba bi na senkrofo didi ne papa atema e che so oba ne kunu a one ne te na eye ne ya se otimi so todo otimi ko TV so no so ko keka na adwene ebi o wia no ho ko na bibusa nse enye buo o se papa no ompene de du ba bi o mo so wia o mo na so mo so ko keka bi enso otu o mo fo se enya de e beboa mebusa nse mpedo do se no tu papa ne fo o se wa bi ne kwa to tem bia obi a so omura futu so na mebusa nse afie besimu no ono oba na hefa no de nyamesem ene APC asore beko o so obo no ho modern na o so na no bodawuro edi asore no ho adanse ne Yesu Kristo so ho adanse edi a kire ewiase nyina na mebusa na biom se ka se sofo mfiri nyame a no fa ne sen o se ne de e basa na kwa se nwa a ofiri ni konkro mu no na me so wonka nkohyem no de wonka no kokoso asem o se ya na eya titiro eya asofo impo a omeden omaka asem na akọ hospitals ahodo atwa enwa hia obi an yare mu wode itimi director say onko APC no fa no nko kire sofo die be no yakopon yeden enye no afi wode bible asem kakra yede editwa to abusuafo ebeto aso medin de otwunoko medam asepi yo abusuafo sabre no na mekae no ha de eye no go zone area for APC founder ene na asorema na otwunoko TV ene Royal TV ye beduru ha anopa Elias 7 eba na nipa wo ha na nya asem ketwa eba ona na aginsem se after 2 nipa na say ha no kra ayema dwumadie no ebeba so eye anwunwei 31st night na ye ne ye nua bi no mbetwetwe nkomo na mo se we de 2019 against 2020 edro bi anka dem na ekosi APC mo say ne nua ba a o menche betwetwe eye nkomo bi nua ba te sen
ba cheye
the fro sen
Pache from Adiza. Pachan.
Pache, here now free buy.
Pache me free now. Bin kuruku yoyo.
Now free buy.
Pachan.
Esi abeto Jubilee Park. O first time I baby and I say what baby pen.
Mpacha me first time ne.
Den the ma buy.
Me hu say me papa me panasam. Me hu say enema o ye ne eye nwanwa Ebrumadwin ntiase.
Good.
Nti me panasam dodo.
Good.
Nti na me bae.
De ba de pa na wo betimia ka fa papa hu a Ebrumadwin no ntiase so nti.
Me hu say nema na o ye no. Me dwuma me ntese onipa be ni ho betimia sada.
Wow.
Nti sa me se me ba na menya bibi papa afro no ho.
Good.
Na ade bia me hiam bia me de tuna ne ma
Musabeka.
Me sabeka.
Good. Oba ufi friends and north eba uni obi na ba na nko na ba.
Pache me nko na me ba
Na asoro na bi wo ho.
Mpache.
Ebi wo ho.
Mpache.
Wow. Nti wakwa asoro ni mfie be sen.
Oh, ekwa 1 year ni.
1 year ni.
Mpache.
Okay. They say omo ehwe yen program no 31st night. Nso ye bedru 2 o'clock. Obehwe ni pe wa na hanyina ye ma. Di asa na person ka ekire omo ehwe yen.
O person me kan kire abusanfo se obi ambra na obi aba ne bisa de na odi ba no yakopon be ya ama no.
Wow.
Ebe nam abofont rebo abofo so na wo ya nwanwade na bisa de na odi betuna ne no obe ya ma ne sabeka bibia.
Okay. Na adisa what no kuma se pan na se what na be pen.
Pacha matena kuma se da.
Na asa call no.
Pacha.
Di entre ma asa call no foot na kuma se winya asen.
Pacha me babia afibia me kofie.
Sa.
Pacha. Nti me kwa na mapa.
Kwa no aba.
Pacha.
Adisa me da se piso ne akasa.
Pacha.
Abusuafo ye nua ba adisa ofrisrem no ho a wo no abeduru a. Ba hwe do to so mra. Hwan na e ba ne ntu ankomo no so. Bema.
Fada. Eja.
Let us say.
Pacho nyame adom ne papa bofo nyankopon ho adom timi ho ye pa.
Good. Ahi na ofri bae.
Pacho me fru kumase ya.
Kumase ya bro no be so.
Pacho spedote.
Na ese o kofi aba na se o trama program na twam.
Me pacho me wa ya kofem se program no be cross to ochina.
Okay, and now do atambe.
Me pacho e ba ho mache pa as Palace Youth we are the future leaders nti e say yetimi ya dan e ba na e ba hihye nkonya welcome ya hoho no.
Okay.
Me pacho.
Okay. Na just o serve more like Osha me boa.
Me pacho.
Good. Asoro ko nfie san.
Me pacho me 2 years mo.
2 years mo.
Me pacho.
Okay. Kakra ba na betima ka fa papa ho.
Me pacho e papa bofo de ma kwa sorry before me ba be hu ye papa asan di nachi nti me de ne compare previous na me say papa bofo de o dam sunu ko e wo Ghana ha compared to the whole worldwide no me hu say papa dam sunu ko because she na nwanwa de ne na doye kra wo ye keke na you can't compete with our father Reverend Obofo. I respect
Who say Reverend Obofo no day? Who say Reverend no day?
Who you so for? Yeah.
It's caught in the crossfire.